All right, guys, so here's the new addition to the fleet now. This is a 2008 Chevy 2500 4x4 fully loaded LTZ Z71 package. So backstory on this truck. This one, my dad bought it brand new back in 2008, obviously. And he sold it, and now he has it back. So he owned this for like, I think, I don't know, a long time. Then he sold it for about like 2, 3, like I want to say like 4 years. Excuse the mess. Just finished cleaning it on the outside. But yeah, this one has the 6.0 motor, Vortec V8. So the plans for this truck, it's gonna be just a work truck. As you can see, it has little, this is the only where it has right now, just this seat, which is gonna get replaced soon. Got the sunroof and all that. The dash is wearing a little bit, but not bad for a 11-year-old truck. Yeah, but this thing's fully stock. I just did an oil change on it because it required one. Every time you buy a vehicle, you want to do an oil change. Oh, dumb, I'm trying to put my Dodge keys in the Chevy. That's not gonna work. So as you can see, the truck has 145,000 miles, 499. So a little bit more than my truck. Mine only has 136 right now. It's got a little damage on the side from my dad backing it up into the wall a while ago. Stock exhaust, same wheels and tires he had on it when he bought it. They put upgraded tow mirrors on it already, so not gonna need to upgrade that. But let's take this thing for a test drive. More road noise from the tires because they're mud tires. But overall, this truck rides pretty good. The steering is a little loose, what it feels like, but I don't know what a independent front suspension truck drives like, really, since mine has a solid axle. Mine feels a lot more stable and secure. This one kind of feels like it wanders a little bit, which I don't know if it's a big deal for my dad, but for me, I don't really like that shit. And it's got the trailer brake controller already, which my dad put on when he was going to use it to pull the toy hauler. But other than that, this truck feels pretty good. I haven't really got on it yet, so I'm not really... Alright, I'll get on it right now. So she gets up and goes, that's for sure. The ride doesn't seem that rough, but I don't know, compared to my truck, it just seems more, my truck seems more planted and on there just because it's a lot heavier. But I definitely like my truck better than this one. I can say that for sure. The only thing I really like about this truck is these mirrors. Like, honestly, I love them. Compared to, yeah, the Dodge mirrors are good, but I don't know, something about these mirrors I like so much. But yeah, upgrades for this truck I think we're planning on getting, I think maybe just new headlights, cold air intake, and an exhaust for the truck. Not something too loud like my truck, because my truck is, it's just obnoxiously loud. Might be putting a muffler or cat on that. But the truck is pretty good, and we'll keep you guys updated when we do more towing tests. I'll try to do more vlogs on that when I have work towing. I'll take this one occasionally. It doesn't compare to my truck, because of course it's a Dodge and it's a Cummins. It's just a beast of a truck. This truck, it needs some work, but she'll be a good truck once she's has some modifications done to her to help her out a little bit. As for this truck, we're gonna be doing a lot mods very soon for this truck. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, share, and see you on the next one.